So now the orthomyxovirus's genomes, how its genomes looks like, and how the genome helps in the transcription or the replication of the viruses. Genomic properties, of course, these are the helical in shape, the helical symmetry, and the segmented genome. The genome has been segmented, and the negative sense of the viruses, negative sense single-stranded viruses. The size is about 10 to 13 kilobase pairs, and about 12,000 to 5,000 kilobase pair is the total length of the genome of the virion. Then the most important property of it, there are some ribonucleoproteins are there, which are the, you can say that complexes are there for the ribonucleoproteins, which is the important feature of the orthomyxoviruses and which is not present in some of the other viruses. So the segmented genome is encapsulated with each segment in a separate nucleocapsid. Because we already studied the genome of this virus is segmented, and segmented has some segments which are already floating, which are present, and each segment of it is encapsulated with the ribonucleoproteins, which are called RNPs. The terminal sequence of RNA bound to the trimeric, which is RD, also called RD and RP, and all of these ribonucleic acid proteins are surrounded by one envelope again. So from this virus point of view, other viruses, there are the capsid. Capsid is surrounded with the envelope. However, the orthomyxoviruses have the segments. They are a segmented genome. All of their segment is surrounded by the RNPs, the ribonucleoproteins, and then every protein is again surrounded by one separate envelope, which is not present in some of other viruses. This feature and characteristics is not present in some other viruses. So the segments, we already studied that the virus's genome is composed of some segments. Now we will see in detail that what are those segments and what is their functions and what are the proteins encoded by those segments. There are PB1 and PB2 segments, and then which are encoding for the polymerase enzyme, and polymerase enzymes are important for the replication. Again, the PA is the polymerase for the polymerase enzymes. Then hemagglutinin, which see that there are two very important proteins are there which are playing their roles for their life cycle, and these are the hemagglutinin and neuraminidase. So the segments of the hemagglutinin and neuraminidase are also there. The HA is the hemagglutinin, while the NP is for the nucleoprotein. The segment NP is for the nucleoprotein, and neuraminidase is for the NA, and then M are for the membrane proteins, and then NS are the non-structural proteins. The replication of the orthomyxovirus. All these segments are playing their role for the replication. First of all, the attachment and entry in the body fluids, and then virus will bind with the hemagglutinin glycoprotein and C-salicylic acid receptors. So in this case, C-salicylic acid receptors are very important, which will be helping the virus for the attachment and the entry inside the body fluids. Then virus enters by the endocytosis. The process of the engulfing the food material, the virus enters inside the cell through the endocytosis. The protein and polymerase forms the complex new protein synthesis. Of course, in the presence of the polymerase, the protein forms the complex and new protein synthesis, and the replication will be occurring inside the nucleus, not the cytoplasm, and then after that it will come the cytoplasm. 8 segments of the genome are formed, of course, for encoding all the proteins. The 8 segments of the genome will be formed after the replication.